Hi everybody, today I'm going to review the Wera, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, I think I am, but it is the Wera Kompakt Screwdriver, and there's a few interesting things about this screwdriver. One, it's great, you can use this as a pivot. Another thing is that the shaft extends, just like this. Another thing is that it also stores all the bits right here. I believe we have 6 of them, and it comes with a number 2 Phillips, a number 3 Phillips, a 0.6 flathead, the 5.5 mil, 6.5 mil, over 1.2 mil thickness, and the Phillips 1, and again you can see the Phillips 2. Now these are standard bits, which means that if they get lost, you can just get a new one. And the nice thing is that this works as a eject, so you just push it and it's really stuck there. It's not going anywhere unless you actually release it. Very nice design. In fact, I'm not so sure how they did this, but there must be some magic. There's a magnet for sure, but there's something that must catch it in these little ridges right here. Now this thing also gets out of the handle, and you can use this part in an electric drill or electric screwdriver, you know, one of those battery operated ones. And then you can just put it back in and collapse it and put it back in the pouch, which has a little loop here for putting it on your belt. Very, very clever design. The only minus that I can think about is that the grip is a little slippery. I wish these rubber molds would have been all over or maybe ridged. But other than that, this is genius. It's just having the tools having the bits on the tool is just really something that I find very important, because when these bits are in a separate little pouch and they get lost, you take the screwdriver, you want to replace it, and then you can't find them. But this is a really great solution, and it doesn't make it too bulky. As you can notice, it's not bulky. One more minus that I wanted to mention is that the pouch, I believe they should have made the pouch long enough to be able to carry the screwdriver base with one bit connected to it, but they didn't, and you really have to put it inside the pouch here to be able to put it inside the holder. Now, why am I saying they should have done that? Because then you would have had 7 bits that you can carry at all times with a screwdriver. You know, one that's always on it, and then you can just swap with the ones here. Nevertheless, this is a great screwdriver. Definitely nice tool. Highly recommend this. If you have any comments or questions, please put it in the comments box. Please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye.